you guys are new to the channel, some of my most popular videos are driving this straight pipe BMW M4 from a POV perspective. And tonight, we're gonna check out a few car meets, basically terrorize the streets of Los Angeles, and just enjoy the summer night that we have with this car. So, with that being said, let's hop inside the car and get on the road. So before we continue on with today's video, I want to thank the sponsor, which is Simply Carbon Fiber. Simply Carbon Fiber offers real, genuine carbon fiber accessories like this nice gloss carbon fiber money clip, which actually has replaced my wallet since it's a nice, minimalistic, easily accessible form of carrying your credit card, your ID, and even some cash. Not only that, Simply Carbon Fiber also offers other genuine carbon fiber accessories like watches, sunglasses, and even phone cases. Make sure you check out those links in the description. Use the code BF10, you're gonna get 10% off. So with less being said, let's get on with today's video and hop back on the road. So now we're on the highway. We just got word that Alex Choi is hosting an impromptu meet here in Los Angeles. He's gonna just do a little quick car meet and then maybe a cruise right after. So we're gonna go ahead and pull up and see what kind of cars we can come across. Wow. Listen to that. Oh my. You can see the meet is taking place in this parking lot right here, so it's already pretty packed. Looks like there's a couple cars over there already. Hey, what's up, man? So as you can see, we parked up the M4. We're gonna walk around, check out the meet, see what kind of cars are here. Just feel the vibe. Sick G80, it's got the Vorsteiner front end. Really nice. Here goes Alex Choi's RS, I believe it's RS6 with this pink color on it. Very interesting spec with the white wheels. It's even got a ski rack on the top. Side skirts and the whole body kit. Man, check out the turnout. This place is straight packed.
On a show of hands, who wants to drive canyons? We're gonna go up this road called Stunt Road. Barely any parking up there, but I'm not liable for all your
There we go. I recorded that.
So I guess that's our cue to hop in the ride. Let's give it a quick rev. We are in rush hour LA traffic in front of PetSmart. We got Alex Choi in his 720S right in front of me. His RS6 is right over there. Got E92 M3 GTR.
Hey man.
Hey, what's up?
There's a camera in your face.
I know, right? Oh my god, this is crazy. Alright, let's go. 350, 370Z Nismo. Gotta be honest, it's pretty scary driving through these tight canyon roads at night because you can't really see a thing. Oh my God, that's so loud. Looks like everybody parked up right here. We're parked up terribly on the side of the road. Check out this M4. White interior. Got some beautiful views that are hardly visible, but we're on the top of Malibu, top of a mountain.
Move those cars! Move those cars!
M times. Seems to be an M night tonight. Oh! See how many people are here. This is wild. F80 M3 for you guys wondering, that was crazy. Now we went from the mountains into taking over our entire gas station on PCH. So check out the gas station takeover. Again, so many people showed up. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Check us out on Instagram at Beemer Fam. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.